So you want to set up the two-factor authentication process on the each app. So all you have to do is click the drop down on the upper right here, and go into the settings. From here, click in two-factor auth, and you can configure the two-factor authentication here. Here you can see the status as well that it's currently off. Go ahead and click into configure two-factor authentication. You want to enter your current password. So if you know your password, you can go ahead and add that in right here, and then click in confirm password. This will now take you over to where you can easily go ahead and set up the two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is currently not enabled, as you can see, and all you need is a mobile with TOTP app. And if you don't know what this TOTP app means, it simply means time-based one-time password. So this is basically what that basically means, right? But you can easily go ahead and click and set up using an app. You have a few options that you can use. You can use it on your iPhone, your Android, your BlackBerry, or Windows phone, whatever, right? And you can easily scan this. So I recommend you to download, for example, the Authenticator app. You can get that on your device. Once you download it, you can scan this code to set it up. And once you do so, you can go ahead and type in the verification code right here that you'll receive and click and enable. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.